morning students. Today I am going to tell you about water. In last video I have told you about the food. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to stay alive. That just like food, we also need water. Because without water we can't alive, we can't survive. Not only human beings but also plants and animals need water. Water is very precious. You know why it is precious? We know that earth is the 2/3 part of the earth is covered by water, but all the water we can't use. Why we can't use? Because the water of seas and oceans are very salty, so that's why we can't use that water. So the question arises that which water we can use? We can use the sweet water, pure water. So let's start water. First, why do we need water? The first point, why do we need water? Why do we need water? We need water for drinking. If we feel thirsty, then how do we quench our thirst? We quench our thirst by drinking water. So why do we need water? We need water to quench our thirst. We need water for drinking. We also need water for cooking. We need water for cooking because without water we can't cook anything. Also we need water for bathing. We need water for cleaning. When we want to clean our house, then what do we need? We need water. We need water for washing our clothes. I said that plants also need water. So we need water to watering the plant. If we will not watering the plant, we will not water the plant, they will die. So what are the needs of water? First, we need water for drinking. Second, we need water for cooking. Third, we need water for bathing. Fourth, we need water for cleaning. Fifth, we need water for washing our clothes. Sixth number, we need water for watering the plants. And many uses, we use many in many ways we use water. So these are the need of water. We understand that what are the need of water. Then the question arises that how do we get water? From where do we get water? That means sources of water. Sources of water. There are many sources of water. What are that? Rain, river, lake, pond, seas, oceans, etc. These are the sources of water. Rain, river, lake, pond, seas, ocean, etc. These all are the sources of water. Rain is called the main source of water. What is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. We get water from, in our house we get water from through the pipelines by supply water. Somewhere we get water from hand pumps, from wells. Most of the villages area they get water from hand pump and wells. So we can ocean, and one source of water is seas and oceans. Seas and oceans are also the source of water, but we can't use that water. Why we can't use that water? Because the water of seas and oceans are salty. That's why we can't use that water. We use pure water and we use underground water. What is underground water? Groundwater. What is groundwater? What is groundwater? The water which we get from underground, which present in soils and rocks, are called groundwater. We should use only pure water. We should use only pure water for drinking. So in this video, what do we know? We know about the uses of water, why do we need water, sources of water, from where we get the water from where we get water? We get water from wells, hand pumps, rivers, ponds, etc. So again I will tell you about more about the water in next video. That means how can we save the water, how can we purify water, which type of water we should use. That's all we tell you about next video. Thank you.